Alright, this is an unboxing of the Canon Powershot 9X with my assistant, Shaw. How are you? I'll let that focus in there.
Good.
Yeah. And this is Achy Dad. A little bit of achy in the shoulders because I'm not doing push-ups. I've been walking a lot though, so that's so good.
And I got a short sleeve shirt.
You do have a short sleeve shirt. Yeah. We're taping this with a Canon S110. And I had a Canon G7X I loved, but it's a little bit big. I am a pocket person for cameras. So we're going to do this with try not to edit, because then I have actually time to make the videos. But, oh no, let's not grab the tripod. It's a little tripod. This is unboxing. You can watch on the screen there, Shaw. Registration. Amazon, $399. Amazon Prime. This box looks pretty good. It's been, I noticed, let's see. There. It's been out. It's not a perfect box. Who knows? It looks pretty good inside, though. Oh, here it is. Okay, watch out. Ooh. Oh.
That's fun. It still has the tag.
Yep.
How did this come? It has buttons and stuff.
Yeah. It's got a big screen in the back.
Let me see. Is it?
Hold on. Oh, that's shot. There we go. There's a size comparison. Hi. Oh, you want to look in the video? Alright, now we're gonna... I don't think it's got a battery in it, but let's see. I like the symmetricality of this up here, but I hate top mics. That is the only thing I don't like. This Canon S110 has... Ooh, careful. Has front mics where people talk, but I want to make a 3D printed thing here that ever so slightly curves over. Oh, you want to get up and see that? All right. Well, we're not going to edit this show, so we have to give these people a break and keep the pace moving because careful there.
I need to see.
You need to see. All right, hold on. There's the battery. Put them at the autofocus range. Achy Dad needs glasses now, so I can't necessarily see well. There we go. Now I've got my own cards, but let's see. We can turn this on.
How? I want to see.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. This video is rapidly going to be paced. Not good for YouTube, right? There we go. Okay, let's see if we can turn it on. Ready? That's the Canon. No memory card, but there's the screen. There's my thumb for reference. It's a big screen. Oops, thank you. All right. Do you want to show them your Unimog? Okay, Shaw and I found a Unimog on eBay. Number 61. We love Unimogs and trucks in general, but the Unimogs are so special. We have a 1960s version too, number 42, I think. Oh wait, back to the camera. This has the 1-inch sensor from the G7X. That's what I'm really most interested in. We'll see how it shoots. It has a nice manual ring here. That's doing the zoom right now. But it can do anything you want. But they moved the ring from the back. You know, they moved the ring, careful. They moved the ring from the back. So now it's all touch controls from what I hear. I'll have to turn that sound off immediately. Info. Don't put it right there, Shaw. Shot. Set. No, it's not. It's got to move farther away to be in focus. All right. Now this video is descending into the depths of really bad video with a Matchbox car. Devil.
This is not a Matchbox car.
Looks like the same stuff up there. I love the metal. I love the metal finish. And that's video this time. All right. This is Achy Dad signing off before this video gets any more boring and autofocused problemed out, right?
What?
Right? With our Canon S110, which still does awesome video. You have fun with your Unimog. What do you think of this? Camera. I've been having black cameras forever, and I love the silver with the fake leather. Don't touch the lens. Okay. Alright, yep. Sleepy video. But at least I won't have to edit it. Alright. Stay safe out there. Achy Dad, signing off.